Okay, good morning. The next topic is a series positive clipper, an updated version of a series positive clipper. In the previous sessions, we discussed an ideal diode. In case of an ideal diode, we discussed that the cut-in voltage or the reference voltage is always 0 volts since the diode is an ideal one. And after that, we also discussed regarding a practical diode where the V reference is equals to V cut-in voltage. That is what we discussed. But now, in case of an ideal diode, actually it clips a positive waveform which is more than 0 volts. Whereas in case of practical diode, it clips the positive waveform which located above this V gamma, that is cut-in voltage. But now, if I want a new level to specify, if I want some other level to specify as a reference to remove the positive portion of the waveform, in such a case we should go with some additional DC source, that is nothing but your reference voltage, that is nothing but your biased condition. That's why it is called series positive clipper with biased. So in that we'll be having two cases depending upon how the source, how the battery, how the DC source is connected with the diode. Depending upon that passion, we'll be having two types here, clipping above reference voltage. So this circuit is consisting of an AC signal, and then the diode. Since it is a positive clipper, the cathode should be connected first and then the anode. Okay, and we'll be having some additional voltage. This is what a biased voltage, let me call it as VR here. Okay, and I have a load resistance here. I will be measuring the output voltage across R and then the reference. So this is cathode, anode, positive, negative, and this is the input signal. Okay, so let me consider this is an ideal diode, not a practical diode, an ideal one with some biased voltage. Okay, so now let us study the operating principle, how this circuit works in order to clip the waveform above that reference voltage which is specified. This VR, it could be 1 volts, it could be 0.5 volts, it could be 2 volts, whatever it is. So in general, it is what a reference voltage VR. So as I already said, in ideal case 0 volt is was the reference. In case of practical, V cut-in voltage was the reference. But here, which is the reference actually? The reference is VR. VR is the reference. So I need to discuss two cases. The case 1 is regarding when the input voltage Vi is greater than VR. It means it is during positive off cycle, right? During positive off cycle, this is positive and this is cathode. I mean, this point will be more negative. So it means the diode will be in the what? It will be in the reverse biased. It will be in the reverse biased. Clear? So the diode will be in the off condition. So when Vi is less than VR, actually, now it is greater than, when Vi is less than VR, so this is dominating with respect to Vi because VR is more than Vi. So in such a case, what happens? The diode will automatically gets forward biased. Okay, that's why the reference is when Vi is greater than VR, the diode will be in the off condition. When it is in the off condition, it has to be replaced by an open circuit. Right? So let me write that. Okay, let me write that during positive off cycle. Okay, the diode will be in the open circuit, and this is your reference voltage R VR. Now tell me, what is the voltage across these two terminals? Let me call it as this is point terminal A and then terminal B. What is the output voltage between between A and B? Even though the current flowing through the resistance R is 0, but we have some DC source here, so therefore V0 is equals to VR here, not 0 in this case. V0 is equals to VR because of this DC source. So where we are actually measuring the output voltage, there we have a DC source, therefore V0 is not equals to 0 in this case. V0 is equals to VR. If this source is located here, then V0 obviously equals to 0 because no DC source in our measuring terminals. Clear? So V0 equals VR. So the second case is what? When Vi is less than VR. When Vi is less than Vr means Vr is dominating. Vr is dominating means Vr positive terminal is connected to anode. So it means the diode gets forward biased, right? So when Vi is less than Vr, diode will get turned on. When it gets turned on, it has to be replaced by a short circuit. So this is what? This is the source, short circuit, and this is the reference voltage Vr, and this is the resistance. And what about V0 here? V0 is equals to, this is the voltage you are applying, V0 is equals to what? Vi. Clear? This is for what? Case 2. So we put together these two equations, equation 1 and then equation 2. When the input voltage Vi is greater than Vr, so V0 is simply equals to Vr, not 0, remember, because of this source. And when Vi is less than or equals to Vr, so V0 is equals to what? Vi. Okay. So by making use of this expression, let us discuss the working principle again by making use of a signal waveform. Okay, this is the given waveform, given input signal, let me call it as Vi, and this is the positive peak and this is whatever negative peak. And what is the reference here? While tracing this circuit, you are going to get positive terminal of the battery. It means the reference should locate in the positive region. So what is the value of that? Plus Vr. So somewhere here, this is what your Vr reference. So case 1, let me go for case 1. This is 0 pi, 2 pi, and this is t. With respect to t I am writing. Okay, when Vi is more than Vr, V0 is simply equals to Vr. So from this point to this point, Vi is lesser than Vr. Clear? Vi is less than Vr. When Vi is less than Vr, V0 simply follows Vi. So somewhere here. And from this point to this point, Vi is more than Vr. Vi is more than Vr. In such a case, V0 is simply equals to Vr. From this point to this point, V0 is simply equals to Vr. And again, from this point, Vi is less than Vr. So when Vi is less than Vr, V0 is simply follows what? The input voltage like this. So this is what the output voltage you are going to get. This is your Vm, and this is your output waveform. Clear? Clear? Just go through this expression. This is the reference, and we are discussing about clipping above reference voltage. It means I should clip above reference. This will be the reference, above reference. So this is the portion what I want to clip here. So that is what I have clipped in the output waveform by using this circuit. Okay, and this Vr could take any values. So let me write a transfer characteristics. So this is the input voltage and this is the output voltage. Previously I took 0.7 as a reference, but here it is Vr is the reference and Vr is positive first. So somewhere here this is the reference. Okay, now you can see here Vi is greater than Vr, this portion. What is the value of V0? Vr, somewhere here it is positive, right? This is the waveform, and when Vi is less than Vr, this is the portion. Okay, V0 is equals to Vi. It means it will come like this. Okay, here diode will be in the off condition, here the diode will be in the on condition, and this is the level of Vr. Clear? Thank you for watching.